the solution for this example, first thing we need to do is just get it into a table. So we can say insert table. Okay, so that's fine. Let's get it into PowerQuery. Now you'll see immediately that the branch number and the bank account numbers immediately have been changed to numbers. Now we know they're not numbers as defined. We never plan, for example, to add up these bank account numbers. These may as well be considered text. So I'm just going to change the branch number to be text. We're going to say, okay, replace the current, that's fine. Same with the bank account numbers. I'm going to do it this way now, change type to text, replace the current. Okay, so now we've got that. Now what we're interested in is we want to know, are any of these bank account number duplicates? And if they are, I want to know who we're paying, because potentially there's some ghost payments happening here. Now keep in mind, because I'm only interested in a duplicate of just the bank account number, because maybe the surnames differ, but it's just the bank account number, I'm only going to highlight the first one, and I'm going to say keep. So all we're interested here is to keep the duplicates. So when I click keep duplicates, you'll see it pulls immediately up these items, showing you that there's 3 items, all different people. Just to make it easier, maybe we'll just sort them so we can at least see that those 3 have 3 different people's names, different amounts. Same with those there. So this might be something that we now need to investigate.